Oh, really? I'm outside, but no one's home. I've got all the luggage here, and I don't know where to go. I'm now at the highlight of my whole trip. I reckon it will be anyway. And I need to head out pretty much now because I've got like 4 minutes to go till I need to check out this hotel. But not only that, I need to travel 2 hours out of Tokyo to be able to get to this spot. So, alright, no time to waste. It's going to be cold, but I'm looking forward to it, and it will definitely be my highlight. So after all the rushing over to this bus terminal, the 11:45 bus that I wanted to catch is sold out. So I'm here waiting for the next one in half an hour, but no big loss. I'm just gonna chill out for a while. Hey. Right, I have arrived at Kawaguchiko, and it is 6 degrees, which is alright, but there's full of snow all around me. So I've hired a car for the next few days without winter snow tires, which could be a bit of a mistake, but I hope that I can get winter tires for this because it's going to be quite interesting driving in such thick snow. So first of all, I'm going to the hotel to check in and chill out for a bit. So I found the hotel, but I have no idea how to get in, and no one seems to be at the door, and there's snow everywhere. I'm outside, but no one's home. I've got all the luggage here, and I don't know where to go. Yep.
Okay, so check-in counter is not there, so please come to the office first. Is it possible for you?
Yeah, I have to walk back to the office, is it? And then walk back to the to open the door.
Yes, please. So.
Okay, all right.
So,
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So frick, I gotta walk all the way back to the station again to collect the keys and then come back here, trudging around in the snow. Ah, so frustrating. Back at the station, and literally it is right opposite the station where I collect the keys, and I walked all the way to the room. Damn it, but I'm here now. I'm gonna quickly check myself in. Checked in finally, got the room key, and yeah, what a journey. Back we go. I saw that Mt Fuji was initially covered, but it's made an appearance. So I wasn't going to chase sunset at all. I was just going to take it easy. But man, I need to hire the car really quick and chase the sunset before I lose any light or before it hides again. Okay. Yes, yeah.
Small tire.
Snow tires? Yep. Great, thank you. So now I've got the car, and with about 20 minutes to go to sunset, I better make a move. Typical of me, running and chasing after sunsets, and Mount Fuji is pretty clear right now, so pretty excited.
Turn right.
Man, the Mount Fuji is absolutely clear right now, and I can see the sun is setting over the mountains, so it's only like I've only got like 10 minutes to go really till sunset. So I was about to go to Chirito Pagoda for the classic spot, but I'll leave that till tomorrow morning since there's not enough time to go there. So I'm gonna go to Lake Kawaguchiko and send the drone up pretty quickly to catch the last bits of it. So I've literally just arrived at a spot on the other side of the lake, and now I'm just trying to find a place to be able to take off. Right, it's gonna go for a bit of a location scout pretty quickly as time is against me because I think there's literally only 5 minutes left. I did it, made it right on time as the sun set, and I am in awe as I was seeing these pictures come through the drone, and I'm dumbfounded. I'm lost for words as to how beautiful it was. And compared to the last time I was here, where there was not a single cloud, there was some high cloud drifting around, which kind of gave it a bit more of drama to the mountain, and it was just insane. I can't wait to edit these images. So even though my feet are absolutely freezing and I'm like, hands are so cold as well, it was all worth it. Me chasing after the bangers again, but mission accomplished. Gonna get an early night tonight and wake up for sunrise at the Chirito Pagoda to get this amazing shot again. It is 6 a.m. in the morning and I am ready to head off to the Chirito Pagoda for that classic sunrise shot over Mt Fuji. So looking at the area, looks like the fog's lifted, which is great news, and I'm really hoping for another banger sunrise when it comes to seeing the pyramid. When it comes to seeing Mt Fuji. So what's the temperature outside? I don't even know. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's -2 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. So, hey Siri, what time is sunrise this morning?
Sunrise will be at 6:51 today.
Okay, I've got some time. So it's a bit of a hike, but I'm gonna head off there right now. It's freaking icy as well. Like just when I'm running to head out to sunrise, it's so much ice. It is freezing. It is -2 outside, but Mt Fuji is absolutely clear at the moment, so we're in for a good one this morning. And you know what they say? If it's cold at the car park, it's gonna be a warm hike. So someone once said that. It is freezing in the car park, but I'm kind of on the warm side now because I've just been in a heated car, but by the time I head up these steps, I reckon I could be a bit warm. I'll see how I go. Apparently there are 398 steps to the top, so it's going to be a bit of a hike. Remember last time doing this? I was absolutely exhausted. With 10 minutes to go to sunrise, I better go. Just when I think I've reached the top, there's freaking so many more steps. Oh, freaking heck. I've only got like 2 minutes to go to actual sunrise too. After all that, I made it. and this view is absolutely insane. There is no words that can describe this view. No photos could actually do this justice as well. So I'm gonna put this camera down and start taking photos. I'm awestruck. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration to come here to visit Mt Fuji. It is probably the highlight of my Japan trip so far, and probably the highlight anytime I go to Japan, to be honest. It is well worth the trip. If you see a clear break in sunshine, make that last minute decision to go. It is totally worth it, totally worth the cold weather, totally worth the pain in the ass trek to get here, but you won't regret it. It'll be a bucket list item for sure. And I hope you like this video. Why don't you leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.